Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Just kidding. And in today's video we're gonna be reviewing the mini controversy palette and the concealer. Okay, so I got this in the mail like not right on time, and I waited 23 days. By I mean I didn't get it on time. Like, it said yesterday that I was supposed to be here around in between 1 o'clock or 3 o'clock, and then it never came by. So then it said by 4 o'clock, and it didn't came by till like 4:30, and it still say that I'd be here by 4. I placed my order on November 1st when it launched, and I'm gonna show some videos and some screenshots of how much I was on the website trying to get the conspiracy palette. Like, it was so bad. I was like stuck in 3 hours or 4 on the Morphe and Jeffree Star page. I was in line. I was in that waiting in line page, and I don't know why it wasn't working, and I ended up being one of the few that got booted out, like as the series said. Or you know how in the series they say like, oh, we need to boot out some people or whatever. I think I was like one of them because I ended up not getting the conspiracy palette, and I was so upset because I got paid the day before, and I was like, yes, like I'm gonna invest into this palette, it looks good. I didn't get it. More than 10 minutes away, so I'm preparing myself. But I did get the mini controversy palette, which was okay. Nah, it wasn't okay. It was awesome after I tried it out on this mug. So this is what the inside looks like. So on this one, I already opened it. I'm sorry about it. So my ugly ass week. So this is a mini controversy palette. I'm keeping the sticker. I'm keeping the paper. So the palette was wrapped in this cute paper, the Shane Dawson with Jeffree Star, and pink bubble wrap. Also, there's this other gray paper, Shane Dawson and Jeffree Star. So the palette was $28, and I didn't think that was that bad for a high quality palette. And this is the way it comes from, or this is the package it comes from, and it looks like a static TV. I know you guys have seen many reviews, but this is my first impressions, and this, I was like, oh, this is official. And so this is the way it looks. And then I got the Magic Star Concealer in the shade CO, which is the O being exposed right here. And this concealer was $22. I use this for my cut crease, my eyes, well, not my foundation in general. I would have been like super white. So shipping was $9.95, which is too much, but not really. And my total ended up being $64.80.
Now on to the swatches and me trying it out.
I'm curious to see. So overall, I do think it came out kind of expensive, but honestly, it was the shipping. If it wasn't the shipping, it'd be like 50 bucks and a tax. But that's life. We need to pay our taxes. Overall, these two products performed very well, and I like the way this look came out. Overall, my first impressions, like, Jeffree never lets me down. I love the formula. I love how pigmented it is. The concealer surprised me a lot. Like, to me, it looks smaller in person, but it's so worth the price. Like, it's Wendy approved, it's drag queen approved, it's everything approved. It conceals like my whole depression and everything. I love the way this look turned out. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, ring the doorbell, ring the notification bell, and like this video, and comment whatever you want. Comment if you are, like, how long you were waiting on the website, and tell me your experience with this whole crashing the internet.